Hello guys, this is Umakant. Just wanted to share the reality. I'm just wanted to talk about the real incidents of my life. The real incidents, I'm just talking about the power of intuition. So I have experienced this power of intuition in my life. Once upon a time, the power of intuition was believed very strongly. But now, because people are losing the power of prayer, people are losing the power of sadhana, people are losing truth, the power of intuition is coming down. More people engage themselves in the activities like meat eating, more people engage themselves in activities like alcoholism, more people engage in the activities like taking intoxication. The power of intuition in you will come down. So just I'm telling you a real time story. What happened is one day I was trying to book my tickets to one of the temples in South India. Okay, so I was quite sure that I'll get these tickets booked to go to that temple. My father and mother insisted me to book the tickets, and I was booking the tickets to go to that place. And while I was trying to book the tickets to that location, what happened is that continuously the server was giving me error. Okay, it usually does not happen, but I was trying to book it again and again. But when I observed it three times and fourth time, the ticket did not get booked to that place. It was a temple at a far off location in Vizag. So after some time, I was having a thought that why this ticket is not getting booked. There is something which is stopping me to go to this location. But somehow, fifth attempt and sixth attempt, I booked a room over there. Okay, and I went to that location. And when I reached to that location, I was staying along with my family. Actually, someone, my friend's father called my father, and to inform him that some of your nearest relative has expired and you are not supposed to enter any of the temples. So after traveling 700 kilometers to that temple, we have to come back in vain. So why I'm telling this? Second time also, why I was traveling to some other location, and on the other day I was trying to go to a waterfall near Hyderabad, and somehow my intuitional power was telling not to go there, and still I was going to that place. And after I went there, I realized that that place was actually closed for the travelers to visit. Same time, just these experiences keep on repeating in life. There is some intuitional power within me which keeps on telling that not to do this, not to do that. That that is my inherent quality which I have developed by doing meditation, by doing certain spiritual practices, reciting the name of Lord Venkateshwara, Lord Balaji again and again, not taking any kind of intoxicants, not taking any meat. Okay, I stopped eating non-vegetarian food 10 years, 11 years back. And I stopped taking alcohol 11 years back. And after that, I saw a lot of change in my personality. I, I have seen that the power of intuition in me has grown. And I have also, I have forecasted many incidences in my life which was about to happen. Okay, and I have seen it. And whatever some dreams come through my eyes, come through me in the night while I was sleeping, that things have been manifested after 2 3 days. And also in my friends' life also, I could I can foresee what is going to happen in their life. So why this power is being developed in me is that this is all the grace of Lord Venkateshwara, and apart from that, my sadhana and my staying away from all these intoxicants and meat. So everybody, so in past also, people used to predict about the future. People used to predict about many things in life. These people did lot of penance in their life. Penance is a area in which, first, in the beginning, what will happen is that you will have to face lot of troubles. Struggles are there. I used to wake up in the morning 2:30 p.m., 2 a.m. to do sadhana till 6:30. I was continuously doing meditation for so many years. I used to sit in forest. I used to sit in some remote places. I used to sit in many spiritual lands, and I used to do meditation. Okay, so this, what happened with the help of my master and with my help of my other spiritually elevated people, with these company, uh, the karmas were nullified. And apart from that, the experiences which I have enjoyed while doing all this sadhana was very much profound. So initially in the path of spirituality, that there is a lot of toughness. Initially in the path of penance, there is a toughness. The things are very tough. But as you progress in the path of spirituality, the things will become quite easier for you. And you need to you are elevated. You cannot meet normal people, but you just see them at a different level. You see them, their life, with compassion, because they'll be suffering all the time doing their own mundane activities from morning to evening. So you cannot help their life, because that own I just suggest them to bring their own light in their own heart. But people who don't want to struggle, they don't want to do any kind of penance, they don't want to leave any kind of their old habits, and the people who are not ready to work on themselves, they always want to work on the external things. But thing is that you need to work on the internal things to bring the change which is external in your life. But I've seen people are a bit negligent in bringing these changes in their life. So they keep on suffering and they keep on involving themselves in more of the mundane activities of life. So, guys, get this point, bring your, there is a power called power of intuition, and that can be developed in you by doing a lot of penance and staying away from intoxicants and staying away from meat. So, see you guys. We'll catch up in my next videos. I am just connecting back to the nature, and I'll be doing a part of meditation here as well. So, catch up, guys. We'll see you in my next videos talking about life and realities. Bye.